Imagine having a t-shirt idea, and before your coffee gets cold, you have the design made from scratch, a mock-up, and a marketing video all created in one place. Don't worry, because you can post all of these things on your Etsy, on social media to get this money, you all. So, Kittl is going to show us how we could do that. And y'all, it's going to be less than 10 minutes that we're going to be creating all of these things from just our wonderful ideas and from scratch. Hey now, it's your girl Shanita Nicole, and welcome to Do Dream On. If you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today, we are going to be using Kittl AI, and we're going to be diving in to how to set yourself up as a professional. If you want some t-shirt designs, some mock-ups, some videos so that you can be seen on Etsy. Yes, Etsy does do video. Stay tuned to this video and stay to the end because we have a special promo for you that will be down in the description. Anywho, if you're trying to get more money, be more professional, and do it quick, fast, and in a hurry, let's see what Kittl has for us. Let's jump into the video. Let's go. As promised, we are back inside of Kittl. So we're going to go to create. I am loving Kittl, y'all. Once you click create, it provides several different artboard options. So popular, social, marketing, business, or print on demand. Okay. What I love is that it is all the correct sizes. We're going to go ahead and select t-shirt because we're going to create a t-shirt utilizing AI. But first, look at the t-shirt templates. There are so many different styles, templates to choose from. You could go ahead and play around and look at that, but we're actually going to be using AI today from start to finish. When utilizing AI, you have to create a prompt to tell it what to do. So I am telling Kittl AI to create a pretty girly t-shirt slogan saying dreamy girls create, make the letters bubble letters, 3 colors, and a wavy fun design. That's all I told it. And wait until you see what Kittl created with those nice and simple, easy yet clear steps for the prompt. Do you see how stinking cute this is? It came out so my personality, exactly how I loved it. It even had some extras. Now, first thing I noticed was it had a white background, and we do not want that. So when I selected the artboard, I clicked remove background. Now look, it's doing its magic, and now it's a transparent background. When you're creating designs, you have to have a transparent background. So now I want to erase that heart inside of the C and create. I think it just kind of confuses it, and it kind of makes it look like a G. So I went and I select erase, and it was very simple for me to go ahead and erase just that specific portion. Once I did that, I clicked off of the image, and voila, magic, that was done. Now I needed the transparent image to go on the artboard. So I literally just selected it and put it on top of the artboard. Once I did that, I wanted to make sure that it was nice and even on the artboard, and you see that little purple dot that's on the side of the artboard. I'm going over it right there so you can see it. I just selected it. Once I selected that, it said I can do an AI image board, an AI video board. We're going to wait for that. But I wanted to do a mock-up, so I selected mock-up. And here is where it gets really fun. So now you can pick whatever image or design that you want to mock up. We could put it on a mug, a pillow, a hat, a bag, but we're going to use a t-shirt. There are tons of different options and that have different titles, but we're going to go under those who care. I'm going to grab her because I really want the mock-up video to do something really cute. So now we have the image on there, and once you select it, it's going to be a blue square around it. Select one of the 4 corners and you can make the image larger or smaller. You can control where the image is on the design. Next, we're going to click that purple dot on the side, and we're going to create AI video board. Now, there's a few things that I want to show you. If you look at the bottom, that's how you tell the video what to do. So you're going to do another prompt inside of AI. I wanted to have the girl do a dance, and I want her to rub her hands over the actual image there, okay? Now at the bottom, it shows this is C-Dance 2.0. Now the size is 16.9, it's 4 seconds, and you can change the audio if you want. I want it to be 9 by 16 later, but I just want to show you the 16 by 9. I'm going to go ahead and press it, and now it's going to generate the video. Fingers crossed that it turns out right. Now, it generated the video. I press play and look at it. She literally is just rubbing her hands over the design. Now, she did a little movement. It wasn't a full dance, but I'm like, this is 16.9. I want a 9 by 16. So I changed the dimensions, and now it is 9 by 16. So this is for like a lot of your short form videos or different things like that. Now, look at her. She does a little dance, and then she pulls her purse comes up, and she rubs her shirt. I think that's super cute. And we're not going to do audio. We're just going to have no audio on it. But I'm just moving her over so that you can see it. It looks really cute and I love it. Let me know how you like that. But I'm like, okay, I want something more because I'm not feeling those green pants. So what I want to do is I want to change the colors of her pants. Before we do that, let me show you something else. So on the menu bar, you can change the size of the zoom. So now we have the design, we have the mock-up, and then we have the AI video board. Now I'm going to go and select the size smaller. I'm just playing around with it so you can move the canvas around and change it. Now I want to change those colors of her pants like I told you. I said have the girl do a dance and rub the design. Let's change her pants to a matching pink. Okay, that's it. I still want her to do the dance and rub the shirt, but I need those pants to match because that's not given. And I do not want that to show up. Now, I'm doing it with the video, but of course we could do it on the actual mock-up too. Look at her go. Oh, she is too cute. And they actually gave her face. If you see, the mock-up originally didn't even show the top of her face. But this is so cute. That pink matches. We could change it to blue jeans. It took her little purse away, but that's okay. We could add the purse if we wanted. I really didn't even want the purse. But anywho, this is so cute. It was so easy and anyone can do it. I literally created this in less than 6 minutes, you all. That's how quick this was. From start to finish, from creating to the mock-up to the video, all of it is done. Comment down below if you love it just as much as I do. So now we are going to export it. So you select export at the top right side, and then it's going to show you where you can change it from a PNG. So we're like, no, we don't want all artboards. We have to go to the specific artboard we want. We select AI video. Now the PNG is going to provide the option for MP4. Once it's selected MP4, we can go ahead and change the size. The max size has to be 1080 in order for us to go ahead and download it. If you see it, it won't let you download it if it's not 1080, and it auto changes the width and the height. So now we downloaded it, it came up, and then now we have the video where we can put on Etsy, we can put on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. We can put it anywhere that we want. So now since we have that, we have our t-shirt design with a transparent background, our mock-up, and our AI video board. Did you all see that? That was so quick, easy, and fun. And if you all want more videos, I could show you exactly how we can upload our Kittl images to Etsy. I could show you what it actually looks like printed out on a shirt. Just comment down below and let me know if you want more Kittl videos and if you want me to give you more, because you know I got y'all. Thanks so much, Kittl, because your AI is absolutely amazing and I love it. So thanks so much. Check out down in the description. We have our own special code, which is DREAM. If you want to go ahead and join the Kittl family, I think you should come on over to the Kittl side. Anywho, that's all I have for this video. Please leave any questions, comments, or concern down below. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye.